Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey. On this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you would replace your map light or front dome light. So they classify this the map light. It also works as your front dome light for when you open up your doors, and they both turn on when you open up the door. So the way you get access to this is you take your small screwdriver, and there's a little indent right here, and that way you can be able to get in there and move, and there's just this clip, and then it'll actually hang there from that side, or you can remove it the whole way. And here's the light bulb that you would replace, and you're just going to pull that light bulb out, and you would get a new light bulb to put in. And this light bulb here, but it's a 578 bulb, and so you would get a new 578 bulb for your map light, and just press it in there. It doesn't matter which direction it goes, and then you'll just double check that it works before you put the cap on. And so you're also going to see when it's lit up and you hit it, it gets just a teeny bit brighter, but it's essentially the same. Then when you're done, you'll take your cover, latch it back over top there, and then just press until that snaps back into place. So that's how you'd replace your map light front dome on your 2016 Dodge Journey. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.